The Bible isn't just history, it's a roadmap for our spiritual journey. Egypt, the wilderness, and Canaan mirror the journey through the tabernacle. Let's explore. Egypt represents bondage, life outside God's presence. Like Israel under Pharaoh, we were trapped in sin, ruled by another master, unable to enter the place God prepared for us. In the desert, Israel learned dependence on God, just like in the outer courtyard of the tabernacle. This is where we first approach God, through the altar of sacrifice, which represents the cross, and the bronze basin, symbolizing baptism. Many stay here, receiving provision but never stepping fully into his presence. But God calls us beyond the wilderness. Canaan is not just a land, it's the holy and most holy place. Here we don't just receive, we reign with him. The curtain that once divided the two is now torn, making us one with God's presence. Are you still outside, stuck in the outer courts, or stepping into the fullness of his presence? Understanding where you are helps you move forward.
In this short video, you can see that salvation consists of two steps. One step from Egypt to the desert, and another step from the desert to the promised land. In our next videos, we will talk more about this topic. This video has been made possible by the Patronci Model Foundation. In this